What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We've got another video here and video of what I'm going to be starting next. It's not necessarily an unboxing, but I will open it on camera here as we're chatting. This was a recent re-release, retool, and new decals of a older kit that, in my opinion, these, I don't know, middle to lower tier Tamiya kits, don't sleep on them. Don't sleep on these kits. Kind of like the Nissan GTR. That's like, usually it's 20 bucks or around there. It's a great kit. They've got great engine details, great underside details. They go together quite nice. And this particular one, it had been sitting on the shelf for a while, mostly because of what it is. A Soarer. You're like, huh? Yeah, it's a UK version. This is essentially a Supra in a tuxedo. That's basically what it is. And we never got this version in the US. This is a UK right-hand drive. These have a single turbo and an intercooler. 3 liter that, what did it say it made? Like, oh, how many horsepower? Enough. It was, you know, it was a good car. Nothing like going fast in a slow car. As you can see, I've got some wheels and stuff chosen, picked out here. The stock stuff. So I went and dug through my resin stash, stuff that I've made, and found a set that kind of vibes with the look I'm after. Kind of going for, you know, that mid 80s. I mean, I know that wheel is a little bit more of an upgraded style for the 80s, but the color that I'm going to be doing, I really want to get that Jazz Cup, they call it, the Taco Bell water cup. I really want to get that sploosh splatter going on there. I've been after trying to achieve that for a little bit, and seeing the decal set kind of inspired me to go for that turquoise, blue, purplish vibe. You all know what I'm talking about. Glass, let's leave that in there. Clear hood. Again, like the Nissan GTR Tamiya kit, has a clear hood for a cool display. Really nice details, you know, for an underhood basic kit. It's really not a whole lot to it. As you can see here, there's, you know, a single piece tub, seats, and one dash, right hand drive only, and then your basic accoutrement. The underside, nice detail. It's got good texture to it, like you'd see on a you know, weatherized chassis. The suspension parts are all really rather simple to put together, but they go together nice and they work really well. You know, full engine detail you can see here. As far as wiring it and running plugs, that might be a little bit more challenging just because of how much stuff is under the hood. I mean, once it all goes together, we'll see if I want to get into all that. But, you know, and that's it. There's really not much to it. The detailed instructions are always definitely appreciated, but not necessarily needed. And again, I've kind of dug through my stuff and, you know, go for the old favorites. Probably put some over fenders and some cool wheels and decals, and mostly I want to try that splotchy thing. I'm going to keep doing it and trying it until I get it right. Practice makes better, right? Alright, well, that's it. I'm going to chop some of this stuff up and glue it and get it ready to throw some primer on it and get to work on the Soarer, the Supra and tuxedo. And what color? There's 2 options that are stock. It said crystal white toning, two-tone, and super white 2. That's opposed to super white 1. So we're going to go with the super white just because. That's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.